Today, we're talking about soft phones. No, I'm talking about something completely different. Thanks for watching this episode of How It Works, and today we're talking about soft phones. So seriously, what's a soft phone? The clue's in the name. A soft phone is a software phone. It's basically a virtual phone that'll allow you to call any telephone number without a physical telephone. Just you, your computer or smartphone, and a headset if you're feeling fancy. To help you understand what a soft phone can do for you, let's back up a little and talk about the three basic ways VoIP calls work. The first is computer to computer. A good example of this is Google Hangouts. You're not calling a telephone number, you're just connecting to another account on the same network or platform. No phones involved. The second way to make a VoIP call is phone to phone. For this to work, you'll need to use a VoIP telephone or an adapter called an ATA on a regular telephone line. For more info on ATAs, check out this video. You can think of a soft phone as a bridge between your VoIP network and your old telephone landline and mobile networks. With a soft phone, you can dial any telephone number just like a physical phone. Also, you'll have a dedicated number so that you can receive calls, just like a regular telephone. Are there any pros and cons to consider? We'll look at the pro side first. The biggest pro, of course, is that using a soft phone can help you realize huge savings. You can also make VoIP a whole lot easier than the computer-to-computer model. Call up any employee, client, or supplier without having to worry about software matchups or whether or not they're online. And of course, because a soft phone is a virtual phone, you no longer have to worry about having to update, upkeep, or upgrade any of your physical IP telephone units. Many soft phones are free, bundled with service packages or licensed at a very low rate per user. Installation is quick too, much quicker than installing and provisioning VoIP hardware. Some soft phones are apps, and some use web interfaces allowing you to use them from any computer in any location. This makes it especially handy for road warrior employees on the go. Soft phones are perfect for remote employees. As the workforce gets more and more mobile, soft phones will have a bigger part to play. Any concerns? Well, there are a few. People can be resistant to change. Physical phones have been a part of the workplace for more than a century. Anyone with a touch of tech phobia probably won't be thrilled at the idea of having to get rid of their physical handset for a piece of software. The good news is that most soft phones are modeled after real telephones, such as the buttons and realistic rings. You might still get some pushback, but this familiarity can help smooth transitions. Next, you'll need to think about emergency calls. Most VoIP services will offer E911 or 911 services, but not all of them are required to. Check out this video to learn more about E911. If you're planning on using a soft phone as your primary phone, make sure you check with your service provider and have a backup in case your internet or power goes out. Finally, guaranteeing call quality and integrity with a soft phone can be more complex. There are just more factors which can affect how the call sounds. Choosing your VoIP provider carefully and maybe getting one of those headsets will go a long way in helping to keep your calls stable and clear. So that's about it. Now you know what a soft phone is and what it can do for your business. This is Dave at GetVoIP.com. Be sure to subscribe and like to see more, and I'll see you soon.